but my baby's in town and we're gonna do some winter things.
Hey guys, and welcome to Vlogmas day 14, and today is going to be all about baking Christmas movies, I love saying movies, Christmas cookies. And my sister is over and we are baking up a storm. We are making 3 Christmas cookies today. We're making sugar cookies with M&Ms, Mexican wedding cookies, and then this like hot chocolate peppermint cookie that I saw today on Tia Mori's channel and it looked really good, and I'm like, we have everything, so might as well just do that, and we needed a 3rd cookie anyway. So let's get this baking video started. So we already did the sugar cookies with M&Ms on it, and just a little tip for you guys, we're gonna do this from scratch like the sugar cookies, but they're taking too long. Like the recipes are like chill for 2 hours and we started kind of late. So all we did is we got pre-made like sugar cookie dough and then just put these M&Ms in them, and they look and taste like homemade. So 1 cookie done. First up, we are going to be doing the Mexican wedding cookies. So this is all that we need, and I will link down below all of the recipes that we're using in case you guys want to do it. And I'm so excited because this is the first time I get to use a food processor that I got for my wedding to chop up these peanuts. So let's get started. So now we're moving on to the hot chocolate peppermint cookies, and we are about to melt some chocolate. So I have a cup of semi-sweet chocolate and half a cup of bittersweet chocolate, and I'm gonna try to do this in the microwave, melt that and some butter, combine it because I don't have a double broiler and I don't have like a pot to do that, so wish me luck. Got some chocolate chips. Yes. We're just gonna fold them in. Oh my god, this looks so chocolatey. It looks so good. If you guys love chocolate, I think this one's a good recipe because it smells heavenly. We're almost done with the cookie extravaganza. We are going to crush up these candy canes. The Mexican wedding cookies are in the oven and baking. They smell so yummy. It smells like a candle up in here from Bath & Body Works, and we love it. So we are all done cooking the cookies, but the last one is a total fail. I really think it's because of us not using, or me not using the double boiler for like melting the chocolate and the butter, because this is what they look like, and it's such a bummer because we were so excited for these and then they're just a bust. That is what they look like. Just not good, really weird, so disappointing. But these turned out great, the Mexican wedding cookies and the sugar cookies. So I think we're gonna have to perfect the other ones, but these ones are good. It is much later, and as you guys saw, I am watching Hallmark Christmas movies on this Friday night because I want to feel super Christmassy. We just made those Christmas cookies. I was like, why not? Let's watch Christmas movies. And you guys know I love Hallmark. So I'm going to be ending off the vlog here. I am still so sad that those hot chocolate peppermint cookies did not work out. I'm going to see if I can try to make them again this season. But thank you guys so much for watching Vlogmas day 14. And I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas day 15. Bye guys.
I feel like give this the shot of my life.